Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 quick access menu not working, fix the issues. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all go to search box and type a CMD. So open a command prompt, right click and open a run as administrator. Click on a yes button. After doing this that, first of all you can type a this first command which is available into the video description. You can copy from video description, right click and click on Control V from paste it and press enter button. And after doing this set, you can once again go to and type a second command, copy it's copy from video description, Control V and press enter. Okay guys, after doing that click on exit and press enter and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem has been fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that first of all you can open a folder explorer. After doing this tab, go to your file, go to your change folder and search options. After doing this tab, you can must check it from these both boxes, show recently used file quick access, and you can also check it show frequently used folder in quick access. Now after doing this, click on a clear button and click on apply and press OK button. After doing this step, once again restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.